comes from within me. If I look a little closer, then I see it in me, shining brightly. These gifts are igniting, given to me proudly from Almighty God. Thank you for your mercy. Oh, you give it to me freely. Oh, and even though I don't deserve you, you choose to pursue me. Hey, I said thank you for your mercy. You give it to me freely. Oh.
So on my paint wall, I hung some of the ones that I've just finished with my Diva paddles and planks. And this is my paint wall where I hang things. And sometimes I paint here, but I wanted to share these with you. And you can find some of these in my Elegant Creation store right now at www.elegantcreation.info. And you can view them on my Rumble and my BitChute channel. You can view the entire video there.